say love is complicated, but what if I told you that becoming the kind of guy every girl secretly admires isn't about money, looks, or cheesy pickup lines? It's about 3 powerful traits that 90% of men ignore. Wait, don't scroll away, because if you stay with me till the end, you're going to walk away with an unfair advantage in the dating world, and more importantly, in life. Let's start with something that's going to surprise you. Girls aren't attracted to perfection. They're attracted to presence. That's right. The first thing you need to master is emotional presence. When you talk to her, are you really there? Or are you thinking about what to say next, or worse, checking your phone? Women can feel when you're not fully present. It's a sixth sense. But when you lock in, hold eye contact, listen without interrupting, and respond with intention, she'll feel something she doesn't even know how to describe. Safe, seen, and subtly drawn toward you. And here's the plot twist. Most guys never even reach this level because they're too focused on trying to impress rather than connect. Which brings me to the second powerful thing, controlled mystery. Listen carefully, because this one's a game changer. Being an open book might make you easy to read, but it also makes you easy to forget. When you hold something back, not in a manipulative way, but in a confident, self-contained way, you spark curiosity. Ever met someone and just felt like there was more to them? That's the kind of vibe we're talking about. Don't overshare. Let your actions speak. Let your energy do the talking. Be kind, be honest, but never lay your whole life story on the table in the first 5 minutes. Because curiosity is the heartbeat of attraction, and mystery keeps her coming back for more. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I'm not naturally mysterious? What if I'm not that deep or interesting? And that's where the third and most important thing comes in. Purpose. Not the fake hustle you post on Instagram. I'm talking about real, grounded, unshakable purpose. A man who is building something, chasing something bigger than validation from others, he becomes magnetic. Because here's the raw truth. When a woman sees a man walking a path, she subconsciously asks herself, is there space for me in his journey? If the answer is yes, and that journey is meaningful, she's already halfway emotionally invested. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how artists, athletes, entrepreneurs, even quiet guys with a passion project, often have women gravitating toward them? It's not an accident. It's not luck. It's purpose. Purpose gives you confidence without arrogance, direction without desperation, and depth without drama. Combine all three: emotional presence, controlled mystery, and real purpose. And you don't chase girls, you attract them. Naturally, effortlessly, authentically. But here's the cliffhanger. Most men will hear this, nod, and do nothing. They'll go back to their comfort zone, keep scrolling, and wonder why nothing changes. Don't be that guy. Because the truth is, the moment you choose to become the one rather than search for the one, everything changes. People treat you differently. Opportunities show up. And the right woman, she doesn't just notice you, she remembers you. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, focus on mastering these 3 things. No gimmicks, no fake confidence, just intentional growth. And if you like this video, you'll love what I've got lined up for you next, because the next video breaks down the 7 unspoken rules every high-value man follows. Click on it now. You're closer to becoming unforgettable than you think.